The BetterWeigh mobile towing scale is a great tool to measure the pin weight of your gooseneck or fifth wheel towing setup. Before you load your vehicle, we recommend selecting the weight readout of the scale that best suits your towing scenario and that gives the clearest weight readout. To change the weight readout, click the gear in the upper right-hand corner and select Pin Weight. Here you can choose the readout that best suits your scenario. To calculate pin weight, BetterWeigh needs to get a measurement of the pitch of your vehicle before it is loaded. Select the pin weight feature from the home screen and park your vehicle aligned with the intended trailer to tow and press Ready. Make sure that nothing is touching or disturbing the vehicle in any way while BetterWeigh makes its initial measurement. Anything that affects the pitch of your vehicle after this reading will be measured as a change in pin weight. Once the initial measurement is complete, you can couple your trailer and get your pin weight measurement in real time. Now you're ready to haul safely. Know what you tow with the BetterWeigh mobile towing scale.